He came from where, you know? Dolly Chai. Nagpur, bro. He's from Nagpur. If you have any job, give us video.
Bro, you want job, bro? And we are releasing song also.
Yeah. He has very good stomach like me. Quite heavy, but that's good. Good, that's exactly. After KTM is good.
I can see Shoaib in tears. He cannot take it.
From our side, my friend, my colleague. So guys, finally the time has came.
Yes.
Cat is also there with us.
So we are going for taking delivery of our cafe racer, which is
After 5 years, we have waited a lot. And
Yes.
finally, we are calling some superbikers also. And if she destroy my chrome mistakenly, I will destroy her.
So we are going to take the delivery of our Royal Enfield GT650, and it is a chrome color.
Yeah.
And so let's give a transition.
Yeah guys, so finally we came at Royal Enfield showroom.
Yes.
After many long
They're
time.
finally buying me a GT650.
Yeah, we're giving him gift. We call a lot of bikers because a lot of raining now.
We call ZX and Z and many people like Harsha, but since it's raining, they are not coming. Next time after PPF,
Maybe we'll wait for 4:30. No, see, it's 4 o'clock. We'll wait for 4:30 and then we'll continue. We'll see.
And behind the camera, Samyak is there.
At the end, we have Duke 390, the most best competitor bike of GT650.
Yeah, come on, we'll have a
I'll say you one thing, that chrome is looking so good, so good.
You can see his baldness in the chrome, so that's how good it is.
Even I look more handsome on that.
And my
The guy came in RS before delivery. That guy.
this guy. And what's his name? What's his name?
His name is very class name. South Indian actor, Nanjappa.
Nanjappa is also here. Hello, how are you, bro?
We both are running players. See, if you have any job, give us video.
Bro, you want job, bro?
He can be my
He wants job, bro.
good right hand.
He also wants job.
He's the best guy. He came from where, you know? Dolly Chai. Nagpur, bro. He's from Nagpur.
He's from Nagpur.
See, he came for installing a Photoshop.
And now he's installing Photoshop.
So, tea is going. See, how's that?
Yes, now we are heading towards drinking tea because and we are releasing song also.
Yeah.
Lighting a
And I don't know how I will drive this bike because it's so heavy, so heavy.
I was trying to ride his Duke 390, but I was feeling
not
hard.
his, rented.
Rented.
R15, I think he have R15. That also he crashed. That also he crashed.
Hey, no, it's not mine.
But he has a very good helmet which saved his life. Yeah. He has very good stomach like me.
Goods for all.
Now it's finally time to reveal this bike, our favorite bike.
So we are now live at Instagram and Reel. Everything is
live
going.
for Instagram and he's waiting for the reel.
So yeah, let's go and let's unveil.
Let's start this.
time won't come to an end. Take a look around, it's a war zone. The damage is
Lift. Very heavy.
It's quite heavy, but that's good, man. It's classic, right? Yes, retro. Some people say I like this feel. Some people say medium is good. But if it touch hands,
Exactly, that's why KTM is good.
because it's men's.
Hey bro, it's all a different grade. You can't compare.
No comparison.
You can't compare everything.
I'm bad to the bone, got blood on my knees. I'm bad for my life, I'm fighting. Yeah, I'm bad to the bone, got blood on my knees. I'm bad for my life, I'm fighting. The ash keep burning out.
Where you're taking your bike now?
So right now we took it in the workshop because
Filling the petrol.
5-liter tank they will give us, and the bike looks so amazing. I mean, it's Mr. Clean, and I already said I put it the name Mr. Clean itself. So we're gonna give it for PPF, and it is gonna be so good because we're gonna add some design, gold designs, and it's gonna be so unique GT in Bangalore. That's good.
Happy with this, finally.
First time. Fine, right? I think I have actually rented some bike, or like I went on his or their bike delivery. I don't feel it's mine actually. I can't even imagine. I want to thanks God.
Do you want me to pinch you?
Actually, he pinched me before. Yeah. Ah! Oh shit! We go. That's it.
Keep this hand. You'll fly away. I have bad experience. Go to come
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Right now, we took a delivery of GT. This is the moment. This is the Royal Enfield showroom. This is the day that God has written. And you can see outside. So please, the reactions from people are asking your friend Rozario. Yeah, so we will join the group. We will show you all the super bikes, show you the drag races, we'll show you the customization bikes, cars, super bikes, and a lot of rides. We're going to custom that GT, and I want to really thank those people who joined us from the kart trigger when we were live, and you guys shown me a lot of love. Thank you so much. We will be working for you guys. Currently we have 5,000 subscribers, so mine is 10,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much.
Okay, so
I can see Shoaib in tears. He cannot take it.
I wanted to do a grand outro. So for me, grand outro is this.